Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I have a bag reveal for you. I did a little bit of damage on Black Friday. It's not a proper unboxing because I already took it out of the box because I needed to take a peek because I was too excited. But I wanted to come on here and film this for you. I will be having another haul with some other Black Friday goodies that I picked up, but they haven't all arrived yet, and I really am super excited to start using this bag. So I figured I would just come on and do this a little earlier, and then I'll have the other haul for you coming up shortly. So this is a bag that I kind of fell in love with as soon as I saw it. And to be honest, I didn't take as much time as I usually do making this purchase, and that's really because I knew quite a bit about this bag and I kind of knew what I was getting myself into. So I felt a little bit more confident making the purchase a little bit faster than maybe I normally would. And I'm so excited about it. So this is the dust bag. So when I opened the box, it actually didn't come in a Givenchy box. It just came in this dust bag. So to reveal, I got myself another Givenchy Antigona, and I know this seems kind of crazy. I still have my mini red one that I need to sell, but this one is a mini Givenchy Antigona, and it's in the faux crocodile with the gold hardware. And guys, this bag is stunning. It is stunning. I feel like the camera does not do it justice. It is just so beautiful. As soon as I saw this bag, I fell in love with it. I am a big fan of faux crocodile in general. I kind of like a lot of animal type of prints and materials. I'm really into leopard print. I love snakeskin print, obviously faux, and I love faux crocodile. I just think it's beautiful. And I know that faux crocodile is a real big trend right now, but I also believe that this is very classic. You know, I've owned faux crocodile pumps for the longest time. You know, I don't think that faux crocodile is something that goes out of style. I know it's very trendy right now, but I kind of think that it's always there, and it just happens to be a little bit more in style right now. But I am so excited about this bag. I was actually thinking about getting it in the size small. I was debating between the small and the mini. This is the mini, and I do have a black smooth leather version of this bag in the size small already, so I kind of thought I wanted to mix it up a little bit and go with the mini with this. Since I've had a mini before in the red Antigona, I knew what this was going to be like. And for me, the mini Antigona didn't work out for me in the red color, but I really think that that had to do more with the color of the bag. There's just something about this mock croc that I think is beautiful. And to be honest, I wasn't sure if I would like this as much in the small size, since the small size is so much larger. I didn't know if I wanted to make that much of a statement with the crocodile print. I thought that this might be a little bit better of an everyday bag, just to be able to throw it on with anything. And I'm so excited that I got it. It is just so beautiful. And the gold hardware with it, I just think makes it very pretty. I think it makes it so you can dress it up a little bit more. The gold hardware makes it a little bit more fancy. So I bought this bag during the Essence sale for Black Friday, and this retails normally in the United States for $1,990, but I was able to get this at an amazing deal. So I was able to purchase this for $1,473. So that's basically $500 off this bag, and I think that that is an amazing deal. And the best thing about this is it's still on sale. It's not Black Friday anymore or Cyber Monday, but that sale is still up on this bag, so you can actually go to Essence right now and purchase this bag on sale if you're interested. But I am so happy that I got this bag. So let me show you the strap. So this is the strap. It is also in mock croc. It's only mock croc on one side, and the other side is a plain smooth leather. But it just straps on here. So here on the D-ring, there's a little divot here where you can attach the strap to. So let me do that for you really quickly so you guys can see. So here it is with the strap, and this is a good crossbody length. Now you can adjust it slightly. There's these two adjustable parts on both sides. So you have two on this side and then two on this side. But to be honest, adjusting this is quite difficult. To kind of unsnap this, it takes a lot of effort, and I've never adjusted my other mini Antigona. Luckily, this strap really does fit me well crossbody, but that's just good to know if you're interested in adjusting. You can wear it, of course, also over one shoulder. It'll be a little bit longer, but I just think that this bag is just adorable and beautiful. I'm so excited to start using it. So let me show you what this looks like next to my Givenchy Antigona in the small size. So this is my small Antigona in the smooth leather. and it is quite a bit larger, as you can see. I'm gonna be doing a little comparison video coming up, just talking about these two, just in case you're deciding between these two sizes. They are quite a bit different in size, and they very much look different on your body. So I think that that might be a little helpful, so I'll be doing that coming up. But I know that this bag is very similar looking to my small Givenchy Antigona. I think that the faux crocodile does mix it up a little bit, and since I love this bag so much, I'm kind of okay with that. Only time will tell if it was a mistake to get a bag that was so similar. We shall see, but right now I'm very excited about this purchase. I will definitely keep you updated about whether or not I feel like this bag is redundant to the other. I don't think it will be, because I think I'm going to style them and wear them in very different ways. I think that it will be different enough for me to justify having both, but as I said, time will tell. But yeah, I'm just so excited to wear that. I'm going out to dinner tonight, actually, for my fiance's birthday, so I think I'm gonna wear this bag. So it'll be time to take off the tags and take out all the stuffing, but I'm so excited about this. I'll link it below if you're interested in it, because I just think that's such an amazing deal. The small size is also on sale on Essence, and it also is at a substantial discount. So if you're interested in the smaller size, which is a little bit bigger than this, then I definitely would say check that out as well. I'll link both down below just in case you want to look. So let me show you quickly about some of the details on the bag. So as you can see on the bottom here, you have these two raised edges. So they're not feet, but they're kind of acting like feet, I guess, for this bag. So when you open it up, the zipper is very smooth, and I love that the zipper is so chunky, guys. I just think that that's kind of a cool detail. So when you open it up, let me pull out the stuffing. So when you open it up, it is just a cloth interior. It's really hard to see in this because the mouth is actually really small. But basically there's two slip pockets here in the front, and then there's a zipper pocket in the back. My dog is barking in the background. He's sleeping and dreaming. So cute. Yeah, and then the rest of the bag is just a big empty space in it. It is a black cloth material, so it's not leather on the inside. And even though it's a small bag, it really does fit quite a bit. Obviously not as much as the bigger size, but it does fit quite a bit. I will say I can tell right away that the mouth opening does not give very much at all. It's a lot smaller than the larger Antigona. I think it's also a lot stiffer than my mini Antigona in the red leather, and I really think that's because of this material. The faux crocodile is just very, very stiff compared to pebble leather, which is what my red Antigona is in. Let me show you my red Antigona really quickly. I will be selling it, so it won't be in my collection for very long. So as you can see with my black one, the opening is very stiff and it does not open that wide. I think that that might be a little bit cumbersome down the road, just because getting your hand in will be a little bit difficult. You might catch your hand on the zipper a little bit, and also just seeing inside to get your things. I think that that might be something that I'll struggle with for a little bit, but I'm hoping also that as I wear this bag that the opening will loosen up a little bit. We shall see. So this is my red Antigona, and I have worn this quite a bit, so the opening is a lot more malleable. As you can see, I can open it a lot wider. It's stuffed right now with air paper, but yeah, only time will tell whether or not this one will loosen up and if the opening will become a little bit more like the red pebbled leather one, but we shall see, and I'll keep you updated on that as well. Okay guys, that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I will be doing the rest of my Black Friday haul in a video coming up soon. And I will also be doing a comparison coming up with my new faux crocodile mini Antigona and my smooth leather small Antigona. I'll be doing a comparison video for you guys on this, so keep an eye out for that as well. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you made any Black Friday purchases that you're super excited about. And I'd love for you to consider subscribing down below and coming back to see me. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.